They're a program on the rise. The Bowling Green Falcons have been steadily climbing the conference rankings. Picked to finish 4th in the MAC this season, they're coming off their best conference performance in almost a decade. And BG is ready to build on the success they found last season.
Something that's really changed from freshman year to now is our energy and our fight. I know a lot of girls won it this year more than I've ever seen it.
We've certainly had great talent through here, and we've had a lot of young ladies that recently graduated that helped our program grow. But, you know, when you talk about team chemistry, for some reason, this group is just clicking together. There's a lot of strong leadership and a lot of different types of leaders within our program.
In the circle, the Falcons have been led by sophomore Peyton Gottschall. Already a 2-time MAC Pitcher of the Week this season, Gottschall notched a perfect game against Wisconsin Green Bay on March 5th, striking out all 15 batters she faced.
The biggest thing about Peyton Gottschall is her mentality and the competitiveness that she brings.
I mean, it's incredible. I've never really had a pitcher who's able to do the things that she's able to do, and our defense is really solid behind her.
Honestly, for me, it wasn't my best day because I was actually sick the night before. So during the game, I was just kind of trying to get over that and just pitch for my team.
It's that sense of responsibility to one another that Falcons head coach Sarah Willis believes sets this year's squad apart.
It's funny because in the fall, the girls were saying, you know, Coach, there's no kind of special groups or cliques or, you know, extra whatever, just the group enjoys being together. And I think the biggest thing when it comes down to the energy is their accountability to one another.
For this year, we're all really positive. Everybody comes to practice ready to work. Everybody enjoys it. And during the games, we're all really excited. We're going nuts in the dugout, and it's just a really good environment.
For us, I think the biggest message this year really going into conference is continue to play like you've been playing, but, you know, embrace the pressure. And I think certainly this program has grown a lot since I've taken over, you know, from year 1 to year 7. And, you know, now some people are starting to kind of notice us in the MAC conference.